practicing yoga with a partner can be your key to testing your own body's limits by using external support to move into unknown postures in a slightly different way. Modifying postures gives you the opportunity to explore new physical boundaries by using your partner's strength to tone your own muscles. As your partner helps you stretch, you will also uncover places in the body where, despite strength, there is either instability or lack of suppleness. Work towards releasing the energy blocks stored in the upper back region, which can be the first step in developing fluidity in your spine and stillness in your mind. Asanas, such as Ushasrasana, play an important role in stretching the front of your body along with the back. This is essential to ensure that you build strength equally in all areas of your body and no muscle is left underdeveloped. When there is a balanced development of power and flexibility in the body, the mind too feels equally powerful and in control. As you lean on to your partner to bend and stretch, look inwards and focus on improving your body's stability and an overall sense of balance. Muscles don't lengthen or strengthen overnight. As you stretch out the tight areas and strengthen the weak ones, your body will gradually find its way to a more balanced alignment. Use your partner as an opposing force to pull and stretch your muscles to a point that would not be possible in individual yoga practice. After we exert ourselves in forward or back bends, twists can help reset the spine to be on an even keel. Bending and twisting into Trikonasana is a complete workout on its own. It works in the body and mind and provides therapeutic relief for anxiety, fat feet, infertility, neck pain, osteoporosis, and sciatica. It stretches and strengthens the upper body, the spine, as well as the entire lower body. Flowing between movements of every posture can become effortless if coupled with the right breathing. Every inhale can become the pulling in of positive energy, and every exhale can become the release of all negativity. Relaxing into Shashankasana gives you the opportunity to reconnect with your breath and to bring your body to rest. Even at rest, this posture unwinds the upper back and neck, in turn relaxing your central axis, the spine.